Today we will learn about baking soda. Baking soda chemical formula Na2CO3 NH2. Its chemical name sodium carbonate decahydrate. Preparation. It is prepared by Solvay process. Solvay process. It is also called ammonium soda process. Ammonium soda process. In Solvay process, carbon dioxide gas is passed in ammonical brine solution to form baking soda. This reaction takes place in two steps. First, ammonia plus CO2. Then CO2 gas passed in ammonical solution to form ammonium hydrogen carbonate. To form ammonium hydrogen carbonate. In second step, this ammonium hydrogen carbonate react with sodium chloride, then form sodium hydrogen carbonate plus ammonium chloride. After then, sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated to form ammonium carbonate plus water is removed to form sodium carbonate. To form sodium carbonate. To form sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, then form sodium carbonate, and this sodium carbonate is called soda S. This sodium carbonate is called soda S. You do balance by multiplying. Here is the soda. This is called soda S because it has no water molecules. Again, then washing soda is prepared by Solvay process. In this process, CO2 gas passed in ammonical solution to form ammonium hydrogen carbonate, and ammonium hydrogen carbonate react with sodium chloride then form sodium hydrogen carbonate plus ammonium chloride. And sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, then it gives sodium carbonate and CO2 gas is formed and H2 is also water. This sodium carbonate is called soda as because it is free from water molecules. After then, sodium sodium carbonate is recrystallized by dissolving in water to get washing soda. To get washing soda and Na2 CO3 as it dissolved in water H2O to form then form then H2O, and this is called washing soda. And in short, you also write in examination that sodium carbonate is recrystallized by in water to get washing soda. Yeah, here Na2CO3 plus 10H2O, then Na2CO3 10H2O washing soda. Next properties. Properties of washing soda. First property is it is a transparent crystallized crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. Second, it is a fluorescent substance. Fluorescent substance. Fluorescent means when sodium carbonate decahydrate is kept in air, then water molecule removed and one water molecules remain attached with sodium carbonate, and this is called monohydrate. Sodium carbonate monohydrate. Third property, action of heat. When sodium washing soda is heated up to 373 Kelvin, then 9 water molecules removed from air. Then we get Na2CO3 H2O, sodium carbonate monohydrate, and after then above 373 Kelvin, this water molecules also removed. Then we get only sodium carbonate, that is called soda ash. That is called soda ash. Its fourth property is its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. Its aqueous solution is alkaline nature. Means Na2CO3 is dissolved in water, added in water, then it forms NaOH, then form 2 NaOH plus H2CO3. This is weak acid. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is weak acid. And this is sodium hydroxide. This is a strong acid. So, sodium carbonate dissolved in water, then it gives a strong acid, and weak a strong base, and weak acid. So its nature is alkaline in nature. Next, fifth property is reaction with acid. Sodium carbonate react with HCl to form NaHCO3 plus H2O plus NaCO3 plus NaCl.
इसको फिर से बोल दीजिएगा शुरू से.
plus NaCl. Bashing property reaction with acid. When sodium carbonate react with HCl to form sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium chloride. Again, this sodium hydrogen carbonate react with HCl, then form Na2CO3 plus H2O and CO2 gas. Sixth, when CO2 gas reaction with CO2, when CO2 gas passed in solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate, then form sodium hydrogen carbonate. So these are properties of baking soda. First, it is used in the manufacture. It is used manufacture of soap, glass, borax, caustic soda, etc. Second, it is used for washing purpose. It is used for washing purpose in laundry. Second, softening hard water. In softening hard water contain calcium chloride and thin sodium carbonate. Then it converts into calcium carbonate plus sodium carbonate plus sodium chloride solution. In hard water, chloride of sodium and magnesium present. Magnesium chloride present in hard water react with sodium carbonate, then form magnesium hydroxide and magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate plus CO2 and 4 NaCl. Then you balance it by 2. Next property is fourth, it is used in paper textile industry. Paper textile and paint industry. Paint industry. Mixture of sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate K2CO3 is used as a fusion mixture. Next, it is used as reagent in laboratory. Next, it is used as cleaning agent for domestic purpose. These are the preparation, properties and usage of baking soda. And after then you will learn baking soda. These are very important topic for class 10. You have learned about baking soda. Chemical name is sodium Na2CO3 10H2O, and chemical name is sodium hydrogen sodium carbonate decahydrate. And you have learned also the preparation. It is prepared by Solvay process, and it is also called ammonical soda process. And after then you have learned the properties, so many properties and usage also.